Hey everyone, this is Sean with Cajun Smoke. Today I'm going to make some crab ball pickled eggs. Everybody likes pickled eggs. Everybody does it different. This is the way I like to do it. So first we're going to start with boiling the eggs. I'm going to show you how I boil the eggs too. I've done different methods and this seems to be the best method. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the eggs. All right. Don't pull them out the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. So I have my water boiling, and it's rolling, boiling, as you can see. So now we're going to put the eggs in gently. 2, 3, 6. All right, I'm doing 18 eggs. So that's all done. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the timer for 9 minutes. That's all it takes. 9 minutes is going. When we finish with the eggs and the timer goes off, we're gonna put them in an ice bath. And then we're just gonna let them sit for a little while and they're gonna peel perfect. So y'all hang on for a second.
Your dad, he always had a plan.
All right, guys, y'all can probably hear the alarm going off. So we are ready to go. So what we're gonna do, turn that heat off, turn that off. I'm gonna move it, and we're gonna automatically just start putting it in the ice water. So we got one busted a little, but that's okay. And make sure they're all in the ice water good. That actually shocks the eggs and they're gonna peel a whole lot easier. And 9 minutes, you can always adjust it if you don't like it. It's not liquid in the middle, it is solid. It's not a hard solid, I guess you could say. I'll show you when I'll cut one open so y'all can see. But I just find they better that way. It's really soft and you can still see the yellow of the egg. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna let that set for at least a half hour. I wanna make sure that all the ice is melted and they shocked real good. So when that is up, we'll come right back. It's been about a half hour. I already drained the eggs, as you can see. They're really cold. You just want to make sure they're cold. I told you I'll show you how easy they peel. Look at that. Like a dream. All off. Bam. Done. So let me show y'all what it looks like at 9 minutes. Go ahead and cut it. See, it's still kind of orangey inside. It's not hard, but it's not soft. You can see. But I love them this way. You could cook it a little bit longer, go an extra minute if you wanted a little bit more. But I prefer the 9 minute. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna peel these eggs and then we're gonna put them in a jar and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. All right, so here we go. I got all the eggs peeled over here. I do have some jalapenos and garlic that I'm adding. You do not have to do this. This is the way my kids like it. So I'm just gonna show y'all this, but you do not have to put jalapenos and garlic. You could put onions if you want. You don't have to put anything. So I'm just gonna line the bottom a little bit right now with it. Okay. Gonna drop in a few eggs. let's line it some more. Like I said, you do not have to put garlic and jalapenos in it if you don't want. All right. And I'm gonna fill it up, but not all the way to the top. I'm gonna leave a little bit of air space. Okay. All right. Got them seeds. I love the seeds. That's gonna make it a little bit spicier. But it don't need to be spicier because I'm gonna show y'all. Here's my secret ingredient right here. This is crab ball water. Seafood water, whatever you want to call it. I boiled crawfish the other day. So I kept the water. And when I do my seafood boils, I always put a bottle of Cajun Smoke in it also. But I will add a little bit more. So the only thing you really need to know about mixing the distilled white vinegar and the crab ball is it's 1-to-1. So 1 cup crab ball, 1 cup vinegar. So I got 2 cups here, so we're gonna put 2 cups. All right, and 2 cups of vinegar. All right. Let's just give that a little bit of stir. Because we definitely want it mixed good. All right, so here we go. And look at that. 4 cups. I mean a little bit, about a half a cup left. So let's just put a little bit more Cajun Smoke in it. I'm just gonna pour some at the top. All right, put the top on. Now we're gonna kind of just rotate it. You don't want to shake it because then you're gonna break all the eggs. So I'm just gonna rotate that. Okay, so there you go. There is our pickled eggs. Let's see, does it have a kind of move down a little bit? Just put a little bit more in there. I like to make sure everything is covered. So this is it. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. It's gonna sit about 3 days. And about 3 days, they're gonna get good. They usually last about 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator. So 2-3 days, they're gonna be really good. But of course, the longer they sit, the better they're gonna get. So y'all try that. Check us out on Facebook at Cajun Smoke LLC. And I'll be posting it on there. And I will be posting on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok. So we're going to catch y'all next time.